Did we take a chance? Looks pretty rocky. Yeah, let's take a chance. All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to another video. Today we're up at Winter Park, Colorado, and gonna be skiing up here on the Mary Jane side. If you like more difficult terrain, moguls, and off-piste skiing, Mary Jane's gonna be your best friend. The Winter Park side of the resort tends to be more greens and blues for more intermittent to beginner skiers, which is really nice for people that are just learning how to ski. But now that a majority of lifts are open here on the Winter Park and Mary Jane side of the resorts, I'm gonna try to see what kind of terrain is open and available for us to ride on today. Before we head up, I also just wanna thank all of you new subscribers and the ones that have been kind of hanging around since the beginning. It's just been an amazing thing to have a lot of you guys tuning in, liking, commenting, and just enjoying all the videos that I've been putting out there lately. Let's stop chatting, let's get riding. Well, gang, for the first majority of the day, I've just been kind of hanging off the super gauge lift here on the front side of Mary Jane and doing a couple warm-up laps over there. The nice thing about today is, although it's supposed to be kind of like a bluebird day, there's like this little cloud that's been hovering over us all day and just giving us like little bits of snow throughout the entire morning, which has been super nice. There's a fresh little layer of snow throughout the whole area, and it's just really nice to ride on right now. I'm just gonna keep sticking to my plan and trying to do as much wide variety of terrain today as possible, but damn, we're having a hell of a day. Ooh, couple rocks. Couple rocks. Oh, a lot of rocks. It's later in the week and we got a good amount of snow overnight. So it's kind of weird, just like eerie almost, that we're not having as many people here today as usual. But if there's one thing I'm not going to do today, I'm not going to jinx myself and have a ton of crowds show up and have like a million-mile lift lines today. So I'm going to keep my mouth shut, keep riding, just keep enjoying the stage because the views are beautiful up here. I absolutely love the mountain views from Winter Park. Did we take a chance? Looks pretty rocky. Yeah, let's take a chance. just made it to the top of the panoramic lift, and it looks absolutely outrageous up here, like something almost post-apocalyptic. There's just these crazy clouds that are covering the whole valley. The whole top of the Mary Jane side is just bluebird, but everything surrounding it is just covered in clouds, so you can't even see the surrounding area. It's almost like we're in an island of winter skiing right now. But I'm gonna drop in, do a couple of runs off of panoramic, and just enjoy it, man. I haven't been up here all year, so let's take it in.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get a no call and quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all of this. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. My heart on my sleeve, stress, shit on my greed. That's how I get it, success ain't no giving. Some days I don't eat, I don't sleep. When I'm focused, I'm dangerous. They don't want it when I'm anxious. Ain't no limit till I tank. I'm running on fumes. The opposition don't amaze. The roads racing through the pavement. Get your hands out of my bag. I know that's because I've been in it. I don't need to brag. I guess that's what happens when you taking care of your business. But some family, you do the math. I'm out of my pocket, Houston.
The views up on panoramic right now are just out of this world, and it's actually really hard to be up here when it's so calm in the day. There's like hardly any wind up here, which is just so rare to find. But I'm gonna wrap up this day with one final lap off the panoramic lift, just taking these views. Well guys, we're back at the car, and I gotta say that was an awesome day. I hadn't been to the top of the Mary Jane side or Winter Park pretty much this entire season, so now that we knocked off some new terrain for 2022, just gotta be that much more hyped to come back. But today was still an absolute beautiful day to be out here. Bluebird day. There's a bunch of clouds this morning, but it just kind of parted throughout the day, which just made riding better and better as the day went on. Next week, I'm actually gonna be riding out to Utah with the fiance and a couple buddies to ride up at Snowbird, Alta, and hopefully Solitude as well. I haven't skied at either Alta or Solitude, so if you guys have any comments or recommendations, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'd really appreciate it. And again, I just want to thank all of you guys that subscribed, liked, commented throughout this entire winter. The fact that there's a bunch of you that have been following along this entire time, and even new subscribers, it's just been the world. And doing these videos for you guys has really made me want to come out here each and every week. But I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching. Hope to see you OOT and ABOOT. We'll see you next time.